ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமஹ. ஹரி ஓம்.
இலை, புஷ்பம், பழம், தண்ணீர் இவை எதையேனும் யார் பக்தியுடன் சமர்ப்பிக்கிறாரோ அதில் நான் திருப்தியடைகிறேன். நேர்மையற்ற பக்தியை நான் ஏற்பதில்லை. இறையருள் கீதை.
ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருப்யோ நமஹ. ಕುಂಭರಾಶಿ ಸ್ರವಿಷ್ಠಾ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ, 3rd and 4th ಪಾದ, ಶತಭಿಷನ್ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ, ಪೂರ್ವ ಪ್ರೋಷ್ಠಭದ ನಕ್ಷತ್ರ, 1st, 2nd and 3rd ಪಾದ. Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the 12th place. Unnecessary expenses will occur. Be patient. There are also chances for medical expenses. Avoid overspeed while traveling in vehicles. Do not enter into unwanted arguments with anybody. Do not have any dealings with strangers. There are chances for mental depression. Heart patients, please be careful. Inflow of revenue will be delayed. There are chances of acquiring ancestral property. Sravishta Nakshatra, 3rd and 4th Pada, Kumbha Rashi. For people born in Sravishta Nakshatra, 3rd and 4th Pada, Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the 8th place. There will be delay in accomplishing your goals. Be careful in monetary transactions. Avoid unnecessary travel and expenses. Take additional care of your heart and stomach. Quit all sort of bad habits. Health. Be extremely careful in your health. Act as per the doctor's advice. Take your medicines regularly. Do proper exercises and yoga to keep the mind and body fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a very healthy life. Education. Except engineering, students in the field of arts and science, chartered accountants, MBA, and law will see a very good improvement. Engineering students need to be extra careful. You might lose track. Do meditation and yoga for having good memory power and IQ. Work. Be friendly with fellow colleagues and treat them with respect and kindness. Be mindful about your work. After 12 months, there are possibilities for a promotion. Business. People involved in real estate, hotel, fast food, building constructions will get good profit. Other business fields will be a little bit dull. Return from share market is moderate. Agriculture. Farmers who work hard will see good profit. This time will be a little bit dull. Do not lose hope. Court cases. A very delayed win is seen. Do not lose hope. Worship God with full devotion. Fine arts. People in the field of fine arts will see good progress if they are friendly with everyone around them and they avoid unnecessary gossips alone. This time is favorable to get good name and fame. House. This time is a very average time. Do not indulge in buying new houses now. After 12 months, time is favorable for buying new house. Land. Do not indulge in buying or selling of land. It will lead to a heavy loss. Vehicle. A very critical time. Do not buy new vehicle for the next 30 months. Please travel carefully. Marriage. Please start marriage initiatives after 6 months for favorable results. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. People born in Sravishta Nakshatra, 3rd and 4th Pada should worship Valli Devasena Sameta, Shri Subramanya Swami, Shri Lakshmi Narayana and Lord Shiva and seek their blessings for good fortune. Sravishta Nakshatra Moola Mantra and Sravishta Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times daily for good fortune. Sravishta Nakshatra Moola Mantra. Om Aim Hreem Sreem Vam Sram Vam Dhanishta Nakshatra Adhipaya Vasubhyo Namaha. Sravishta Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Om Agranadhaya Vitmahe Vasupritaయ धीमहि तन्नो स्रविष्टा प्रचोदयात्. Shatabhishan Nakshatra, Kumbha Rashi. For people born in Shatabhishan Nakshatra, Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the 7th Nakshatra. Unnecessary conflicts will come up even if you are silent. There are possibilities for confusion among family members. Be affectionate and courteous. Use words that will soothe others. Listen to your spouse's advice. Be extremely careful with your friends as there are chances for people to backstab. Avoid friendship with new people. Be extra careful with female colleagues. Concentrate in worshipping God and spend more time in spiritual matters and charity programs. Worship Lord Shiva with pure devotion on Mondays. Health. Be extra careful in your health. Quit smoking if you have it as a habit. Do regular exercises and yoga to keep the body and mind fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a healthy life. Education. Apart from students studying agriculture, all other branch students will have a stable improvement and achieve their goals. Do meditation and yoga for having good memory power and IQ. Work. Be polite and patient at workplace. Avoid unnecessary arguments. After 12 months, there are chances for promotion. Business. People involved in building constructions, utensils, hardwares will get good profit. Other business fields will be dull. Share market is very poor. Be careful. Agriculture. Farmers will have a good profit on harvesting fruits, vegetables and coconut. Underground vegetables will yield moderate profit. Court cases. A delayed win can be expected. Favorable time for winning court cases will be after 12 months. Be patient and proactive. Fine arts. People in the fine arts field should be very careful, especially with your fellow colleagues. There are chances for people to backstab. House. It is a very average time. It is advisable to invest in buying house only after 30 months. Land. Selling of land will be beneficial. However, buying of land will be very disadvantageous. Vehicle. Be very careful, especially while driving two-wheelers. Do not indulge in buying new vehicle for the next 30 months. Marriage. Please start marriage initiatives after 12 months. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. People born in Shatabhishan Nakshatra should worship Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva and Durga and seek their blessings for good fortune. Shatabhishan Nakshatra Moola Mantra and Shatabhishan Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times daily for good fortune. Shatabhishan Nakshatra Moola Mantra. Om Aim Hrim Shrim Am Vam Aim Shatabhishan Nakshatra Adhipaya Varunaya Namaha. Shatabhishan Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Om Bheshajaya Vidmahe Varunadehaya Dhimahe Tanno Shatabhishak Prachodayat. Purva Proshtabhada Nakshatra, 1st, 2nd and 3rd Pada, Kumbha Rashi. For people born in Purva Proshtabhada Nakshatra, 1st, 2nd and 3rd Pada, Saturn and Jupiter are coming to the 6th place. Avoid unnecessary travels. Be self-contented and do not become jealous on others' assets. Unknown health disorders might affect you. Do not indulge in unnecessary conversations and spoil your name. Be very careful in handling property and asset-related subjects. Smart work will protect you from heavy loss. Long-standing debts will be cleared. Health. Be extra careful in your health. Quit all bad habits you possess. Do regular exercises and yoga to keep the body and mind fit. Maintain a restricted diet plan to lead a healthy life. Education. Good progress is seen in studies. Students can take up new subjects and obtain success. Do meditation and yoga for having good memory power and IQ. Work. Be extremely careful at work. Work with full dedication and sincerity. Show respect towards all. Maintain a good rapport with fellow colleagues and superiors. Business. A very average period for people involved in business. Be proactive and careful in dealing import and export of overseas goods. Returns from share market is moderate. Agriculture. Continue with the existing crops and do not indulge in new experiments as it will yield a great loss. Court cases. Unnecessary delay will continue to exist. Cases will not end as expected and will be extended because of the opposite party. Do not lose your temper. Be patient. Pray God with complete devotion. Fine arts. People in fine arts will see a moderate growth. Be careful with fellow competitors. House. It is a very average time. After 6 months, time is favorable for buying a new house. Land. Buying and selling of land will be 50% beneficial and 50% disadvantageous. Be proactive and decide well at critical situations. Vehicle. Do not indulge in buying new vehicle for the next 30 months. Please be careful while you travel. Marriage. Please start marriage initiatives after 12 months. Worship of family deity is prime and extremely important. Without worshipping family deity, worship of any other deity will not be fruitful. People born in Purva Prothapada Nakshatra, 1st, 2nd and 3rd Pada should worship Mahamari, Mahavishnu and Mahabhairava and seek their blessings for good fortune. Purva Prothapada Nakshatra Mula Mantra and Purva Prothapada Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Both these mantras are required to be recited 108 times or 36 times daily for good fortune. Purva Prothapada Nakshatra Mula Mantra. Om Aim Hreem Sreem Prom Shreem Aim Purva Prothapada Nakshatra Adhipaya Ajayekapadaya Namaha. Purva Prothapada Nakshatra Gayatri Mantra. Om Tejaskaraya Vidmahe Ajayekapadaya Dhimahe Tanno Purva Prothapada Prachodayat. A request to all the 12 Rashi people. For those who are not aware of your family deity, please consult with family elders and know them. If it is not known, worship your favorite god and seek their blessings. We all tend to carry out all the remedies prescribed by expert astrologers, but still a few of us are facing hardships. Whatever dharma and worship we do, that will definitely yield good result. This birth is a result of the deeds that we have done in the previous births as per the Shastra. Hence, do not be lethargic and lose hope. We are required to follow dharma and work sincerely with pure devotion to achieve success in life. Help others who are in need. Have a good and positive circle of people around you always. Respect elders in your family, guru, and other worshipful people, without which no pariharam or prayashchittam will be effective.